If you've noticed in C# recently, you've probably seen a lot of people doing this, where they're writing is null instead of equals null. Now, you might be wondering, what is the difference? Why do I care? The short answer is, you probably don't in most cases, but the language of is pretty clear, and it's actually checking if that value is null. The other one isn't doing that. Let's take a look at our code and see a mistake that someone might make if they wrote their own equality operator. If we take a look at equality on our person, what you end up seeing is this. It seems fine. This code overrides the double equals operator and uses it to just call the equals. That should work. Well, there's one slight problem, and that is if the second value is null, then it's going to fail. Let's take a look at why. When it runs this equals method, it checks the properties. If that object is null, it's going to throw any null reference exception. What happens when we run it? And when it runs, we get person is null, but then we also get our exception. So if you want to know if it's null, check is null. And if you're wondering, you can also say is not null.